This is the sound test of microphone for SWOPOR UMK007 and UMK009. They share the same microphone. We have upgraded the chipset. The sound quality is way better than other similar microphones in the market. It can reproduce your voice perfectly, and there is almost no back noise. Our sampling rate is as high as 192 kHz 24-bit, and signal-to-noise ratio is over 103 decibel. You can just plug and play. It enjoys high popularity among our consumers. You will like it. Hello, here is the sound test of the built-in microphone of a laptop for your comparison. You can also check the sound quality of your laptop or computer to compare. Thank you.